When you search for convection versus conventional ovens, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims, but to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Black & Decker Crisp and Bake Air Fry Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. Priced at $61.99, it caught my attention with its 5-in-1 cooking capabilities. If you want a multifunctional kitchen helper that can air fry, bake, broil, toast, and keep things warm, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this oven is its versatility. You can whip up crispy fries or bake a pizza, all with little to no oil thanks to its air frying technology. This matters because you're not just cooking, you're making healthier choices without sacrificing taste. It has a compact size that fits up to a 9-inch pizza or 4 slices of bread, which is perfect for quick family meals or snacks. The 30-minute timer and removable crumb tray make cleanup a breeze, too. This model has already sold over 8,000 units this month, so people are definitely recognizing its value. Now, some people complained about the small cooking capacity. Here's the thing, though. If you're cooking for a small family or just need it for quick meals, that's really not a deal breaker. It's designed for convenience, not large gatherings. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, multifunctional oven that won't take up too much counter space. Skip this one if you often cook for larger groups and need more capacity. Now, if the limited capacity of the Black & Decker bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Black & Decker Large Capacity. We've got another Black & Decker model, the Crisp and Bake Air Fryer Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. But this one has a larger capacity and is priced at $79.99. If you want something that can handle bigger meals without compromising on versatility, you should definitely consider this. This toaster oven can fit a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of toast at once, making it a great option for families. It also features air fry technology, which means you can enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 75% less fat. This is a game changer if you're health conscious but still want delicious meals. The even toast technology ensures your bread comes out perfectly toasted every time. With over 3,000 units sold this month, it's clear that many are finding this oven useful. However, some users pointed out that it can take a little longer to preheat compared to traditional ovens. But honestly, when you consider the healthier cooking options and larger capacity, it's still a solid choice for most. This is ideal for you if you regularly cook for a family and want a versatile appliance that can do it all. But if you just need something for quick snacks or single servings, this might be more than you need. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger cooking tasks.
Product number 3, Black & Decker Extra Wide. Let's talk about the Black & Decker TO3250XBD. An 8-slice, extra-wide convection countertop toaster oven priced at $86.87. What caught my attention? Its size. It fits most standard 9x13 oven pans. If you want an oven that allows you to use your existing bakeware, this is one to check out. This model has a powerful convection fan that circulates warm air, giving you fast and even baking results. It's perfect for baking, broiling, toasting, and even keeping your food warm. The 60-minute timer is a nice touch for precision, especially when you have multiple dishes to prepare. The fact that over 1,000 people have bought it this month shows it's making waves in kitchens. However, some users noted that the temperature may run lower than what you set. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of adjusting your expectations, it's manageable and doesn't completely detract from the cooking experience. This is perfect for you if you love baking and want a reliable oven that fits your pans. Skip this one if you prefer more advanced features like air frying. Now, if you're looking for something with more advanced capabilities, the next option is really something special.
Product number 4, New Wave Bravo XL Pro. The New Wave Bravo XL Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven, priced at $154.99. What caught my eye is its innovative ultra-fast convection system. If you want crispy results in less time, this might just be the oven for you. With 142 presets and a capacity of 30 quarts, it handles everything from air frying to slow cooking. The 1800-watt power means quick heating, saving you both time and energy. Plus, it offers customizable cooking with a wide temperature range from 50 degrees F to 500 degrees F, which really matters if you want to get creative in the kitchen. I was genuinely surprised by the amount of control it offers, including a smart probe for perfect doneness. But I've seen some complaints about the learning curve with so many options. I'll be real with you, it can feel overwhelming at first. However, the variety it offers makes it worth getting used to. This is perfect if you want an all-in-one unit that can replace your main oven. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward appliance without too many bells and whistles. Now, if you're looking for something even more user-friendly, the final product on my list might just fit the bill.
To sum it all up, the Black & Decker Crisp & Bake is great for small families, while the larger Black & Decker model offers more capacity. The extra-wide Black & Decker fits standard pans, perfect for bakers, and the New Wave Bravo XL Pro is an advanced option for those who love versatility. Lastly, the Ninja DT251 Foodie is a powerhouse for serious cooks. Each serves its purpose, so consider what fits your kitchen best.